We ran out of some supplies and we're going to the market to get them. So yeah, come with me. And I'm going with our big sis Jamie, our driver.
I think she got before doing stuff on the date first.
Yes, so she's the one.
What of your grandma?
She died when they were young.
Now they put the egg. 6,000. She didn't last for it. One will have clothes.
I need to wear all black clothes.
Oh yeah, say hi.
Everybody take care like that.
Easy. This one with the figure of my boot. See how they kill.
What?
What department?
Biochemistry.
No.
Yeah, she's a lot.
Cutting the detergents that we're going to buy.
Your brother is going to join your YouTube page.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
You guys, look at this staircase. So funny. Why is it like this? We came to buy ice cream.
Mom, do you eat ice cream and meat pie?
Yeah, she did. It's calling me.
So we're back now and we're about to start prepping so that we can eat because we're hungry. I think it's about 3 p.m. and we've not had anything to eat because we've been sleeping. It's Christmas, so yeah. So yeah. Yes. Say hello. Kuna Chiki. Hi. Welcome. Give me a hug. See my sister. See. This is cooking beyond food. Wow. Look at this.
They'll do me little bread. What do you think? 5 of you?
Let's just. Karen's Janaki eating Maggi. I've not stopped eating Maggi. You guys say hi to my vlog. Good. My vlog. Be watching us. Look at that number, did Jesus look?
No one that updates me. She was there.
Bye.
Purchase your track and day.
Hi.